Good morning, my dear friends and fans. Today, I stand before you deeply inspired by the life and mission of Saint Teresa of Lisieux, the little flower. Though Saint Teresa lived a life of quiet contemplation within the walls of her convent, she became the patron saint of missionaries, a testament to her profound spiritual outreach. She wrote numerous letters to missionaries, popes, priests, friends, nuns, and sisters, always uplifting their spirits and encouraging them in the holy mission. Even though she herself never physically traveled to foreign lands, her heart and her spirit, however, transcended borders and oceans, reaching the corners of the world with her words of love, faith, and encouragement. I, Dinora Dumper, humbly follow the example of Saint Teresa. I too have chosen to use the power of words to reach out and inspire leaders across the globe. I have written formal letters sent via post office Don Carlos Bukidnon, Mindanao, Philippines, to world leaders including Pope John Paul II, Pope Benedict, Pope Francis, Bill Clinton, Barack Obama, George Bush, Donald Trump, Elon Musk, Bill Gates, Jeff Bezos, Warren Buffett, Larry Page, Sergey Brin, and Mark Zuckerberg. I have reached out to the IMF, World Bank, and leaders in the Philippines like Bongbong Marcos, Noynoy Aquino, Rodrigo Duterte, Joseph Estrada, as well as to leaders from Russia, Israel, Japan, China, and many more. Whether these letters have embraced or rejected my ideas, or perhaps even returned my letters like one sent to Mark Zuckerberg, I remain steadfast in my mission. I continue to offer my knowledge, wisdom, and ideas, sharing my God-given insight with those who shape our world. Like Saint Teresa, I understand that our influence can extend far beyond our physical presence. It is the spirit of love, faith, and purpose behind our words that truly touches lives and inspires change. Saint Teresa may have lived her life in a convent, but her legacy lives on in the hearts of missionaries and those she touched through her letters. I too may not hold a title or position of worldly power, but I believe that my offering my thoughts and wisdom to those who do, I am contributing in my own way to the betterment of humanity for the greater glory of God. May all be inspired by Saint Teresa to continue our work with humility, love, and unwavering faith, trusting that even the smallest acts of kindness and wisdom can bring into a garden of global transformation. To God be the glory. I love you all, my fans.